Hello, in this video I will explain how to use Digital Feedback Map. The Digital Feedback Map is an interactive online platform that provides comprehensive information, tasks, and tutorials about digital feedback methods. It is designed to help teachers and students enhance their teaching and learning experiences through digital feedback. By navigating the map, users can understand, compare, and select the most suitable digital feedback methods for their unique educational contexts. You can access the digital feedback map by entering the following address into your browser or by scanning the QR code. On the main page, you can find additional information about the book, the author, and the project. Click on the corresponding sections to find more details about them. You can find the links to the other platforms here. Navigate to the project to learn more about it. Click here to find the list of project publications. To learn more about the digital feedback map, click on the full description button. You can see the user guide by clicking here. It summarizes important information about the navigation. Should you have further questions, feel free to contact us. The digital feedback map is open to growth, so let us know about your experiences. But now, let's start to navigate the map. You can find the general overview and overview by different filters on the main page. You can access different filters by clicking on them. Moreover, you can read explanations about the categories by clicking on the info button. If you click on here, you will see the general overview of the digital feedback map. You can click on any of the icons to learn more about each feedback method. Alternatively, you can click on the arrow button to move through the digital feedback map step by step. Here you can see the details about the different filters. You can click on the desired feedback direction, mode, timing, or assessment criterion in order to view suggestions for suitable digital feedback methods. You can access detailed information about your desired digital feedback method at any time by simply clicking on the icon. After you have clicked on the icon, the main page of the selected digital feedback method will appear. The one that we use for illustration here is automated writing evaluation. You can simply click on the different sticky notes to retrieve more detailed information, a definition, its advantages and disadvantages, as well as possible context of use. Moreover, you can access a list of references and directly navigate to commonly used tools and platforms. Additionally, you can view and download handouts in English and German that summarize the key information. From the main page, you can move through the advantages, disadvantages, as well as access suggested combinations to compensate for the disadvantage. Furthermore, you can find practical information on the contexts of use page. Additionally, you can find a video manual in the middle of the contexts of use page. You can view it by clicking on it. Moreover, you can navigate to the YouTube channel to see other videos. On the Context of Use page, you can also view and download Grammarly and Quillbot manuals from Google Drive by simply clicking on them. You can navigate back to the previous page by clicking on this button, and you can also move forward to another method as you like. Click on this button to go back to the table of contents and access other methods from there. Moreover, you can return to the home page by clicking on the home icon. Instead of exploring the digital feedback map very openly, you can also access digital feedback methods intentionally. Let's assume that you want to learn more about feedback on social media. To access the information, go to the general overview and click on the icon for social media feedback. On the main page, you can again find definitions, advantages, possible combinations with other feedback methods, information about disadvantages, and contexts of use. Simply click on them to retrieve more information. To view and download the written task manuals, click on the icons next to the tool you are interested in. Then, a Google Drive folder will appear with various task instructions ready for use. If you want to learn more about emoji sliders, for instance, just click on the corresponding task manual. To watch a video tutorial, just click on the video icon. Enjoy exploring a variety of digital feedback methods and feel free to contact us if you have questions and suggestions. Thank you for watching our video.